Challenge, you're gonna need a root beer bottle, a stack of quarters, not yours, and a $100 bill. I'm just using a one, for the show. All right, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna put the dollar bill on top like this. You're gonna stack the quarters on top like this. Get where we're going? You need to sneak the dollar bill out, leaving the quarters perched on top of the root beer bottle, and the dollar bill is yours. But you cannot grab onto the dollar bill. You can't just pull it out like this. You can only karate chop it with your finger. Got it? The inertia is hopefully gonna keep those quarters in place. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bam! And the $3 are yours. I got a better challenge. Double or nothing. Watch this. Dollar bill sits here. Second root beer bottle sits on top like this. And the bottles are balanced on top of each other. You need to sneak the dollar bill out, leaving the two bottles perfectly perched together. Mouth to mouth, dollar is yours. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, maybe I need a little more practice. Karate chop with your finger. Here we go. Here we go. Hey. Bam, you got it. If you can do this, you're gonna be well on your way to being able to do the famous tablecloth trick.